Hi, I'm Joe Ness, and I am the owner of WOW, Windows of the World. And we create this. It is a window of the world from all over. This particular shot was shot in Sao Paulo. We have shots from Africa, from you name it. And we create the WOW in these screens. There is a million screens at this show, and you know, people are always asking, what do I put on these screens? Well, we got the answer. It's nature, it's the power of nature. I'd like to say that we deliver the power of nature and humankind via video screens. And I've had the funnest time putting this together. I started this with my son and my son-in-law, and we actually have our content in multiple booths here, and we've just had a great time. We're here at the HD distributing booth, and you name it, we got it. From shots of Eiffel Tower to shots of Africa, little gorillas in Africa, and super high definition content that we put together to inspire and motivate people to see more of the world.